Hello and welcome to this video. This is intended for Essential Math 40S students who are looking at property tax in the home finance unit. This is sort of a second video looking at a property tax bill for a property. There is a first video that focuses on a bit of the terminology you're going to see here, like portioned assessed value, portion percentage. If you'd like to see that video, there's a link to it underneath this video on the website. We're going to look at the end part of the property tax process, which is actually calculating the property tax bill for somebody's property. So for this example, we'll pretend you live in a house where the assessed value of the property is $160,000. The portion percentage for that type of property is 30%. This means you're maybe a small house on a farm. You sold off all the land and kept the house, something like that. Your frontage is 60 feet. The municipal mill rate is 15.11 mils and the education tax is 19.37 mils. Currently in Manitoba, you do pay two taxes, one to your local municipality, which is either the city you live in or the municipality, which may be several towns, and then you pay an education tax depending on which school division you're covered by wherever you live. There's a $700 provincial education credit. This is good for you. That means they're going to reduce your tax by $700. And you need to pay a local improvement. In this case, it's lane oiling, which is $2.90 per frontage foot. So calculate the property tax bill. Now your teacher might walk you through this actually on a property tax bill. I'll just show you how to do this with a blank page. The first thing we need to find out is the portioned assessed value of the property, as that's the amount that will actually be taxed. So we take the assessed value of the property and we multiply that by the portion percentage, which is 30%. So times 0.30. That gives us a portioned assessed value of $48,000. This is the taxable amount of your property. That's what they're going to tax you on. So for the municipal mill rate, we take $48,000, multiply that by 15.91 mils, and since it's a mill rate, which means out of 1,000, we need to divide that by 1,000. Just like with a percent, you've got to move the decimal over. With a mill rate, you have to move the decimal over 3 places. That's what this dividing by 1,000 does. When we do that, we get $715.95. That's the tax that will be paid to the municipality. For the education tax, we repeat the same process. It's $48,000, the portioned assessed value of your property, times the tax rate for the school division, 19.37, and again divide by 1,000 because it's a mill rate. That works out to $929.76. $929.76. You also have a local improvement, this lane oiling. It's $2.90 per frontage foot. Your frontage is 60 feet, so it's 60 feet times $2.90 a foot. You don't divide that by 1,000 because it's not a mill rate, it's just a dollar rate. That's $174 for your portion of the lane oiling. And we also have a $700 tax credit. So after all that's said and done, I'm going to subtract $700 that the province is giving me as a break on my property tax. So to get our final property tax amount, we are going to add all of the taxes that go to 3 separate locations, and then we're going to subtract the $700 credit. So after adding the $750.95, $929.76, $174 minus $700, I end up with a final amount of $1,119.71. And that would be this property's final property tax bill for the year. I hope that helps clear some things up. Thanks for watching the video.